Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Melody from the Little Mermaid 2. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by zooming in on the head. Let's draw the eyes with two curves. Now on both eyes, let's add some eyelashes. Next, inside each eye, let's add a circle towards the center. Then inside each one, let's draw a small circle on the top right. And then in the center behind, let's draw a black circle. And lastly, for the eyes, on the bottom outside here, let's draw a curve down. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move up and draw the eyebrows with a curve on top of each eye. And then let's thicken each eyebrow up slightly towards the center. And that's it for the eyebrows. Next, let's move down and draw the nose with a small curve. And now underneath, let's add another curve for the mouth. And then a smaller curve under for the bottom lip. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's draw the shape of the face. Let's start on the sides and let's draw diagonal lines down. And now let's curve it down to a point for the chin. Next, on the sides, let's draw curves for the ears. And that's it for the face. Next, let's draw the hair. Let's start on the top right and let's draw a small curve down. And then a curve over to the left and back up at the end. Now let's curve it over and back in on top of the ear. And now let's add another curve on the left side. Next, let's hop back over on the right and let's draw an S-shaped curve up, down, and then back in at the end. Then on top, let's draw another curve over. And then bring it back down at the end. Now for the top, let's curve it all the way down and back in to the side of the head here. And then inside this section, let's draw two curved lines. And now let's take a pause on the hair for now and draw the body first. let's start underneath the head and let's draw 2 curves down for the neck. And then let's curve it out and down for the shoulders. Now let's angle it down for the tops of the arms. And then 2 angles underneath. Next, before continuing the arms, let's draw her shirt. Let's start with 2 lines down in the middle here. And then a curve across the bottom. Next, let's move inside, and from the shoulders, let's draw 2 curves down, leaving a small gap in the middle. Now in the gap, let's draw a small V shape down. Next, underneath, let's add the bow. Let's start with a small circle, and then triangles out on both sides. And lastly, inside each side of the bow, let's draw a small line from the middle. Next, underneath, let's draw a small line down, then a small circle for the button, another line, another small circle, and then one more line down. And lastly, for the shirt, let's add the sleeves with a curve down on both sides. Now let's hop back to the outside and finish drawing the arms. From the lines we drew earlier, let's draw 2 angles outwards like this. And the same on the right. Now from the bottom line, let's curve it down and back up for the thumb. And then from the top, let's bring it out, down, and back in. And the same thing on the right. And that's it for the arms and hands. Next, let's hop back in the middle and draw her tail. From underneath the shirt, let's step in and let's draw a curve down and out from both sides. Then underneath, let's draw 2 angles down, forming a V shape. Then from underneath, on both sides, let's draw a curve out and back up. Now let's move back down and draw the shape of the tail. From the left line, let's draw a curve down and then bring it up over on the right. Then from the right side, let's bring it down and curve it out, forming a point at the end. And now let's add the fins. From the end of the tail here, let's draw an S-shaped curve up, and then curve it back in on top like this. And now for the next fin, let's start in the middle and let's draw a curve down, and then an S-shaped curve back in. And that's it for her body. Next, let's move back up and draw her ponytail. On the right side of the neck, let's draw 2 curves down like this for the hair tie. Now Now on the right, let's draw an S-shaped curve up and over and bring it in at the end. Now let's draw a curve down. Now step up from the end and let's draw another S-shaped curve down. Now let's curve it back into the arm and then continue it up on the other side to the body. And that's it for Melody. Now let's quickly color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!